No, boy and gal, me go show no why me can't stay in my bed. Yeah, man, I queen that. Me tell you, the plate that I'm eating from right now, it's called nature. And I hit me Lego society. Because when I stay in a house, how would I found this? How would I find something we cleanse the two filtering system, your liver, your kidney, and give you a full body blood cleanse overall. Blood mean energy. How what this me find you so? No the plant when name duck flower. You think this normal? This make you gripe, piss through your mouth, piss through your nose, and release. Yes, and release all bad toxin. But guess what, people? Enough people taking and they say it no work. You know why? Because you have to eat it as fresh as possible. It works in silence when you take the one with dry. But the one that is fresh like this, it work very loud. So I don't like work, when it dry, But when you take it like this, you have to be careful also with the volume because this flour will hurt you. Yes, if you take too much at a time, of course, but duck flour come right here in front of me. See why they call it duck flour there? If you have a duck. Me don't talk to you, come out on a bed. No opportunity, no in your bed. You don't listen to I don't know how I go reach on. If you look straight, you see it may look like one duck. But guess what? You don't know me. Me can levitate when it comes on to herb. Yeah, man. Available on the website and also locally here in Jamaica. Duck flour.